Hello everyone, we'll be reviewing Boat's twin wireless earbuds Airdopes 402. I'm reviewing them after almost 1 month of continuous usage. So I purchased them online from Boat website and they come in this carry cum charging case which has a micro USB slot. Now they are arranged as per their right and left configuration, and the moment you take out they start and they pair to the last paired device. For pairing you need to follow the instructions given in the manual. This is the capacitive touch and these are the lights which are given, and for those functions also refer the manual. The sound quality is good and the charging lasts for around 3 to 4 hours of continuous usage as of now. And once you're done with, when you place them back, they start charging. The moment you take them out, they will pair with the last pair device, and if you want to use one, either left or right, you can use them as both are master earbuds. And what all lights mean, how to pair, how to connect, what are the gesture controls, everything is given in the manual. The sound quality is good, fit is comfortable, and I use it basically for attending webinars and conferences. Even the music quality is satisfactory. However, when there is no music playing, a constant hum is there which is barely noticeable when the music or the voice starts. So my recommendation is, for such a low cost, you can go ahead and purchase the product. Thank you.